Lemon!
This is not what I was expecting.
Lemon? That's cat food!
Crunchy.
Huh. Well, that's interesting.
Please tell me you have a rational explanation for that.
I do not.
What are you doing here?
Every berry move! I think we should panic.
When we meet the berry fairies before they go on, follow my lead, okay? Play it cool. We are performers now. We're garbage! You're all garbage!
Bye-bye, Berry.
My country berry bit will get old. Berries will get tired of my baking.
The universe.
Come on down to the Raspberry Supreme for authentic country treats. Yeehaw.